Hi everyone, welcome to online tutorial channel of QLC. Today in this video we will learn the quick step as to how to simplify in submitting your expense reports and what happens thereafter once you have submitted your reports. We already have an elaborate but this is how actually it will describe you how you upload your expenses. Your manager either accepts or rejects the same, and how it is then handed over to your accounts department. So for that I'll just open my FinSense app, go to the schedule visits and click on the visit for which I need to upload my expenses. So I'll click on the fourth option, select category, I'll select the travel. Then you have the expense head. Here I'll just mention through taxi and the expense amount that was incurred. Now other features like take or select picture or setting up of time, these are already being discussed in our previous video, so you can have a look about how to go about these features. Now once this is done, I'll just click on the right tick mark option on the right corner of the app, and my expenses will get submitted to my manager. Now this was the part that has to be done by the next part that comes is how your manager reacts to your expenses, whether he accepts or rejects the same. So let us go to our FinSense web interface and find out the same. So here I have logged in as a manager into my web interface of FinSense, and now I'll go to my team and select the user for whom I need to either accept or reject the expense that a person has uploaded. So let's select the user. Okay. So here under expenses, you have to go over there and select the expense that has to be accepted or rejected. So here you can see that the taxi fare has been uploaded, so I'll just click on approve. Alright, so if it's being approved, then I'll just click on approve, and if I click on reject, I'll show you with a letter example how it comes to you. So I've selected approve. Alright, so it has been approved, that is the expense has been approved successfully by the manager. Now the next role which has to come is how your accounts department is being notified about it, how they will come to know. The one that I was talking about, that is if you want to reject any of the expense, let's click on reject. Here suppose I need to mention please so this is the reason for which I will for the time being reject the expense that was being uploaded by the user, that is please submit your travel bill, then only once I get it I'll just approve the same. So this can be done by the user through the app itself. Like there was a section wherein you can upload your expense bill. If you have taken a screenshot of it, it will be uploaded through your FinSense. So the expense has been rejected successfully, which was also being shown. Now what I'll do is I'll log in as an accountant into my FinSense dashboard and check how it looks like. Alright, so here I'll just log in with my accounts ID and check what is the status of the expenses which are being approved or rejected by the managers. So here this is my accounts ID. Let's log in with the mobile number of the user, which is also possible through FinSense. Password will remain as it is. Click on login. So once you have logged in, here this is how your accounts panel will look like. So under filters you have the options which is called users. So under all users you will get hold of all the users, those who are using your FinSense service. Then under the date you can choose as per the date with the user which will correspond you to the data. So you have today, yesterday, last 7 days, 30 days, last month provided along with the custom range. So you select the custom range of the dates, click on apply. And here you select the user, so it will show you the data related to that particular period of time. So for the user, let's select of today. and we will then click on view. Let's scroll down and discover what are the other things that we can get to see. Next, you have the total expenses by status. So if you see that these are the pending, the color corresponds to your pending reporting head. Then you have the account sections for whom the approval are pending and rejected by the reporting head, which is 0%. Then you have total expenses by expense category, that is, these are the category that you can set as per your requirements in your office. You have travel, food, and this is the miscellaneous. So all this will come and give you a pie chart or a graphical view of the total expenses which are under by status or by the expense category. If you scroll down a bit, it will show you the list of users who have claimed their expenses, followed by the expenses category, the status, and who are the managers who are authorized by. That is, if you see the first user, that is Aditi, for her this is being pending from Sanjeev Pereira and it was being rejected by Sanjeev Pereira. Now these are the status which are pending for the accounts to be approved. This is not for the manager's pending side, this is for the accounts pending side. So now what we'll do is, since we have selected the date, we will select the user and click on view. Alright, so what does it show here? So here under the username, it shows the date, the expenses claimed, expenses category, status. So this is under pending, so I'll just edit it, and here it will give you all the details related to that particular expense. So here you have the status which is pending approval by accounts. So let's close it. This is the one which was pending. Now how will that account person will approve the expense that was being approved by the manager? So for that we have to go to expenses section under the Philson's interface. So here I'll just select the user. Let's select the user. Alright, next you have the status. So this is by default all. Then you are pending approval by the reporting head. So here we'll get to see the list of users names for whom the pending is being approval from the reporting head. Then the pendings, that is the expenses which are pending from the account side. Approved means that the accounts have approved the expenses being approved by the managers. Rejected by reporting head, it applies to the expenses which are being rejected by the reporting head. And then you have the accounts rejected by the accounts, that means the expenses being rejected by the accounts, and disbursed, that is the payment has been handed over to the particular person after the approval is being done by your accounts team. So here I'll select pending approval by accounts. Alright, expense category is all. Let's select the dates and click on view. If you don't do that, it will show the list of users according to the date of the month when these users they have uploaded their expenses. So let's click on view. Alright, so here you can see that the users approval from the manager has come. So I'll just edit over here. Now here you have the option is approve, disburse, that is it will be approved automatically, or reject. So here I'll just click on approve and click on save. So you can see that the expense has been approved successfully by the account team. Now let's clear it again and check what it comes under my approved status for that particular user. So let's select the user, approved, and the date. So here you can see that the status is being approved by the accounts team. So this is how you can get hold of your data, that is the expenses that you have uploaded through your Philson's application, which was being approved by your managers and then approved by your accounts, or rejected by your accounts team directly through your Philson's web interface. Now since this is being approved and all, what you can do is you can log back into your Philson's application, and over there when your manager approved your expenses, it will come under the expenses tab, and from there you can get hold of that. In case if you need any other assistance, you can go through the last videos wherein you will get to see the details regarding how to upload your expense reports. Also one thing to mention over here is, let's click on clear. If you see here, there is a section which shows you the total, that is 382 of rupees 515 in total. So the first page, if you count this amount, it comes to 382 out of the total amount that is being submitted through the Philson's for the accounts department to either approve or reject or cancel the same. So here it will give you the round figure. So me as an accountant, it will be beneficial for me, or rather very easy for me to check on the first page itself, that is how much total needs to be approved or rejected. Alright, so this brings us to the end of the video. If you need any other assistance regarding Philson's or any other product or service of QLC, kindly drop a mail to support@qlc.in. Thank you.